I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Amo Joseph, and what we want to do today is how to clone a website. Sounds fantastic, right? Yeah. So, what do we mean by website cloning? Website cloning is a process of creating a duplicate or replica of an existing website design to create your own website with ease. That is what cloning means. And website cloning allows or lets developers to create a blueprint, compatibility test, and perform updates safety before implementing the changes to their own website. So that is just what cloning. Cloning is good. If you go on Google and search, is it legal? Is it you are just using it as a replica of what you want to do. You don't want to start from the beginning and start editing from the beginning. So I'm just going to be showing you how to do just that in a little time. Now, but before then, we like to look at how can we do it? I mean, what can we do? What can we use? So there are softwares, platforms that you can use. There's what we call HTT tracker. HTT tracker allows you to copy other people's websites, and it will copy it and download it on your system, and you'll be able to take the information into your web host and put it into your database and start editing to what you want. So, and HTTP tracker is offline. Yeah, HTTP tracker is offline. There are others that are online. If you search for website downloader.io, it's an online platform. You will be able to do that too. I'll still show you on the system. If you look at waybackmachinedownloader.com, that is also an online website copier. If you take a look at sitepuller.com, it's also a web copier. So let's just take a look at them. This is website downloader.io. If you just have imagining we want to copy this Bitcoin website, we want my client gives me a job like this and tells me that I want you to create exactly something like this for me. I just come here, I just copy their URL, I just take it into a web copier. You can use this. This is going to download it for you. This is www.websitedownloader.io. This is another one that you can use. This is Wayback Machine Downloader, and this is Site Puller. Yeah, you just put it the URL here. You put your delivery email, then you start now. Although this is not free, Site Puller is not free. Cypula is not free, but you can use website downloader. You can use HTTP tracker. HTTP tracker is very good. It will download it straight on your system. HTTP tracker also has app. It has an app too. You can use it on Android. Just go to your Play Store and search for HTTP tracker. You'll be able to download it right in your Play Store. So let's just copy the URL here and the delivery email. I already put them there. Just say all pages, then you say I'm not a robot. So it will tell you to confirm if you are not a robot and just say the cross line and say verify. Okay, bicycle. I cannot see any bicycle here, so I ask them to change it for me. I just ask them to change it for me. So traffic light. Okay, I can see one traffic light here on this. So just say next. Wow, traffic light. Okay, this. Wow. Let's see. Am I not getting it right? Motorcycle. Okay, motorcycle. I don't see any motorcycles here, so I just click on verify. So I'll click on download now. Your own verification might not be as much as that. Probably I'm not getting something right. As you can see, this is scraping has started. You see, you can check the scraping process by clicking on the button below. We have we also sent this link to your email address. So if you check your mail, you will definitely find it there. So let's just click on check progress. So as you can see, this is it copying for you. This these are not entirely free though. There are some that will work for you. There are some that you will have to purchase it. That is if you actually need them. Because um they are okay, let us see. So this preview, this is what you are copying. It's a powerful website. Bit Bitcoin. Yeah. So as you can see, these are take a look at them, take a look, it's copying. So you give it time depending on how fast your network is. And as a link has been sent to your mail address. You can go ahead and check them. Let's see if we can actually check them here too. Um, let's see if we can check it here. So let's check. So as you can see, your results are not ready yet. Fast created, refresh this page for the latest result. So you come and refresh the page. As you can see, from the resources next, government, inter, login, subdomain, statics, v2, everything is already, as you can see. Take a look at this, take a look at this. This is pure coding. This is pure coding. Web copier is used if you don't want to imagining you starting all this coding right from start. It's going to take you a long time before you deliver the job to your client. So basically this is how you can copy a website. There's nothing really serious about that. As you have finished copying it, you just take all those some of the files that you have access to, some that are free. If you love them, you can buy them as well. You can buy some pages, buy all pages at $12.5. So you can buy some that you don't want to buy that is free. You can just import them and just implement it with other templates or plugins that you have in your cPanel or your WordPress. Some do create website from WordPress offline. So but I do cPanel, I do it online. So as you can see, take a look at this. This is what we are copying. So let's refresh this page again, and let's see how far we have gone. Can you see? Let's take a look at this. See, bring it to your notepad. Let's see. Take a look at this. Before you can code all this, time has gone. Can you see it? Can you see all this? Can you see? This is a lot and lot of work. If you can see, this is coding, learning. As you can see, this is pure coding. You can Norway, Switzerland, Monaco, Marino, learning. Take a look at all this. You don't have to waste your time doing all this. Just come and copy what you want to use. So basically, that's just it. There are other web copiers too that you can use, but if you still do research more, you will still be able to find some lovely ones. So let's check our mail for the link that was sent to us. Look at web copier downloader, website downloader. Scraping of bitcoin.com started already. So as you can see, can you see, dear customer, you made a request to create a static HTML copy of this website www.bitcoin.com. As you can see, you can track the scraping process and download your file on the URL on this URL. As you can see on this URL. So let's go back to our copier and let's see how far we have made progress. Okay. So this is how it's gonna be. There's nothing really tough from this that we are doing. Okay. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I post lovely content. Just check through. As you can see, this is pure coding. Though is actually one of my plan. All this coding, Python, JavaScript, CSS. We still take a look at them. We still have a very long way to go. My vision is clear. We're gonna do all this. Just let's follow together. Look at this. You don't have to waste your time, but if you want to do it, it is necessary. It's necessary. As a coder, you make cool money. Cool money. So thanks so much, guys. So I'll be stopping the video from here. As you can see, we have in 30 minutes, 40 minutes rather, we have learned how to clone a website. It's just simple and straightforward. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Look at the videos on my page. You can go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This particular training that I did, I talked about cPanel. We checked everything. We are still continuing with the series very soon. I will drop a video very soon we still continue to create our website. Have a lovely and wonderful day, guys. Thank you so much.